Cases of COVID-19 have been low in the hub city for a few months now, but unfortunately, that doesn't mean COVID-19 is gone. In fact, health experts around the country are now worried about the new strain of virus called the Delta variant. KLBK's Grace Morris spoke to some local health officials today about the variant and the concern with this particular one.
This is the wake-up call.
The newest variant of COVID-19 is spreading.
It is the most infectious of the variants that we've seen thus far.
It's called the Delta variant, originating in India, now spreading fast in the United States.
But the ones that are getting COVID-19 are getting the COVID Delta variant.
According to medical expert Dr. Samir Islam, 40% of those infected with COVID-19 in the U.S. have the Delta variant, and already 7 cases have been identified in Lubbock.
Here locally, those patients are typically taking longer to recover, and they're in the hospital longer than they would be otherwise.
This variant particularly affecting those who are unvaccinated. Currently, only around 33% of Lubbock County is vaccinated, leaving a majority of the population vulnerable to this new infection.
What we do know, the symptoms are more severe, there are more hospitalizations, and the recovery tends to be a lot more difficult for those patients.
Medical experts concerned this could cause a new rise in cases, especially when we start seeing colder weather.
That's the worry, is that we'll see a rise of that. And again, in the wintertime, as we congregate more, that typically shows a rise of these infections. And so I think unvaccinated folks are going to be at risk as we move into the fall.
The good news, COVID vaccines protect against this new strain. Doctors saying if you're on the fence about getting the vaccine, now is the time.
If you're vaccinated, you are fine. If you're not vaccinated, this is the time to worry, and this is a time where you really should consider getting vaccinated to protect yourself and to prevent you from spreading this to somebody who you love.
Grace Morris, KLBK News.